Hello Dnation and welcome back to yet another unbox and review episode. Today we're going to be reviewing the Ducati Multistrada 1200S and we're going to be taking a look at the 1/18th and the 1/12th scale licensed diecast replica motorcycles manufactured by Maisto. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get started. Well, in today's episode, I want to save you the trouble of running through the entire process of unboxing these beautiful diecast motorcycles, and so for a change I went ahead and pulled up one of a recently popular diecast motorcycle. So let's go ahead and take a look at this awesome replica. And now, as we know what this amazing replica looks like, and with this out of the way, let's go ahead and look a bit further into this well-detailed 1/18 scale diecast motorcycle replica. To begin with, this model is a licensed diecast motorcycle replica of the Ducati Multistrada 1200S, which is one of the most popular off-road motorcycles. And this is a premium and well-detailed replica and has a good build quality and quite a bit of intricate details to it. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components of ABS plastic. And what I like the most about this is that this replica model looks exactly like the real deal with all the attention to the tiniest details. And these features make it premium looking and an awesome diecast collectible. This model comes in two scale sizes, and this is the 1/12 scale premium model, measures in at 7 inches in length, 4 inches in height, 2.8 inches in width, and weighs in at about 163 grams, which makes it quite sturdy and well built. And this is a 1/18 scale variation, and this premium replica measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 2.8 inches in height, 1.8 inches in width, and weighs in at about 110 grams. These models come with spot-on paint apps and branding details and have free rolling wheels, excellent suspension, a kickstand, and a lot more details that make these a premium collectible. And with these licensed diecast motorcycles, you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. So now let's place this off-road replica on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and functionality. Kindly find further features and specifications regarding these premium diecast models in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium diecast model, and the same with the 1/12 scale variation as well. And as you can see, the wheel spin and the suspension on this diecast replica is amazing. So with that being said, let's place this diecast model on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this beauty in a 360-degree view. And while we take a look at this beautiful diecast motorcycle, here are a few fun facts. The Multistrada 1200 comes in 3 equipment levels: the base, the S Sport, and the S Touring. The S models include ABS, which is optional on the standard models, and electronically adjustable suspensions called Ducati electronic suspension. The S Sport model has carbon fiber intakes, cam belt covers, and rear huggers, while the S Touring model comes with heated grips, hard luggage, and a center stand. And what's astonishing was over 10,000 units were sold in the first year of production. The Multistrada 1200 won the 1205 division of the Pikes Peak International Hill Climb in 2010, 2011, and in 2012. And in 2012, a Spider Grips Ducati Multistrada ridden by Carlin Dunne achieved the first sub 10-minute time for a motorcycle. And for further information on the Ducati Multistrada, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones these diecast motorcycles that were featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And I also want to take this opportunity to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback. And thank you so much for helping me achieve my 400 subscriber mark. Kindly continue to support Dnation. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our exciting and upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this topic, please do drop a comment below. And stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.